Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot to show you all. This is my hair after having straightened it maybe about 2 weeks ago, and we're gonna see if it completely reverts back, if I had any heat damage. It's still kind of stretched some in the front, and there are some areas that are still kind of straight on the end, so we're gonna see what those do. I'm also gonna show you all how I prep my hair under a wig so that I have hair growth, because you all know I did the big chop last year and my hair has grown significantly. And so I'm going to take you all along with this process. And we're going to do it step by step, starting with washing. So this is a shampoo that I usually start with, and it's a sulfate-free cleansing cream, and it's by Cantu. I really like this a great deal. It doesn't strip my hair at all. I start by rinsing my hair first, and then I apply a generous amount of the shampoo all over my scalp. And as you all can see, I am smiling because I'm starting to see my hair revert a great deal. All of my curls look like they're intact, so your girl is so pleased. Also, for the elephant that's in the room, because I know some of you guys are probably wondering, why do I have this black shirt on in the shower? Yeah, I shared in my straightening video that I actually had burns under my arm from a deodorant that I used, so that's why. And if you haven't seen my straightening video, be sure to check that out. I'll link it in the cards above. You'll kind of see what my armpits look like. I wasn't about to take you all through that or myself through that again. So now I'm just rinsing my scalp completely and also my hair, but I'm really focusing the product on my scalp to make sure that I have a clean scalp, because that's going to be the start of healthy hair growth. So I'm rinsing this off, and then after I complete that, I'm going to begin using this curl stretcher by Cantu. I tried this product and y'all, I love it so much. I don't see a significant amount of elongation that happens, but I do feel like my hair is so much more softer, and also it does help with fighting humidity. So I really like that component, because y'all know I live in Texas, and yeah, the humidity is real here. So I'm just going through and applying a generous amount. And again, if I'm just washing my hair on a weekly basis, I just use this alone with a conditioner and a deep conditioner. Also, because this product is cream based, it's very good for starting the detangling process. So that's what I'm doing currently. And I'm going to show you all what one side looks like versus the other. But I think my hair would just look like that naturally if I put product on it. So I'm not going to say that this product did that. But if you are looking for a cleanser that's not going to strip your hair and that's going to moisturize it, I would definitely recommend this product. It is amazing. My hair feels so soft. And this is what my hair looks like completely rinsed out. It does look a little stretched, but not a huge difference. So now we're going to move on to conditioner. Y'all, this My Black is Beautiful conditioner, their whole line is just phenomenal. I started using it maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago. No, maybe about a month ago. Y'all, this stuff is legit. It is so awesome, and it smells so delicious, and it's infused with such amazing ingredients. Ginger, I love ginger. It has coconut oil, honey, turmeric, just amazing things that you use naturally when eating that are going to benefit your body. So imagine what they're going to do to your hair. This product is so moisturizing. It was easy to detangle my hair with it, and it helps to seal in moisture. If you think that my hair was soft and pliable after using the curl stretcher, oh my goodness. After using this product, I wish you all could touch my hair. It is divine. I really, guys, try this product. It's gonna mess you up. You talking about your hair being moisturized? Ooh, this gonna do it. And then for my deep conditioner, I'm using the Intense Recovery treatment. Y'all, this stuff is amazing as well. It's super thick. I applied a generous amount all over my hair. And this product is perfect for after having straightened my hair and exposing it to a great deal of heat, just to get it back into shape. I'm using my fingers in order to detangle with this product. I don't actually use a Denman brush or some form of detangling brush in the shower. I wait until later to do that, but my hair is so soft, so easy to manipulate, and I'm going to make sure I focus it on my edges, because y'all know I wear wigs a lot, so we got to make sure these edges are strong. So I'm putting on my edges, and then I'm going to take a bag and I'm going to put that over my head. I'm not using a shower cap. We kind of ghetto over here. I'm just going to tie it up in the back, and then in order to make sure the heat stays into the bag, I'm going to put on 2 thick hats, and I do this every time I deep condition, which deep conditioning happens every time I wash, and this just does a good job making sure the product penetrates my strands. So about 15 minutes has passed. I rinse out the deep conditioner, and this is what my hair looks like without any product in it. It looks super shiny. My curls are popping, and my hair is so soft, as I stated earlier, and I am loving it. Now it's time to show you all how I prep my hair under a wig. I like to start by using Jamaican black castor oil, and I also pair it with peppermint oil. I just love the smell of peppermint oil. And Jamaican black castor oil, you all know the benefits. It's going to thicken your hair. It's also going to be a great sealant, and it's going to help with split ends ends and rapidly increase hair growth. This is absolutely a staple in my routine, and I attribute my hair growth to using Jamaican black castor oil on a regular along with the peppermint oil, and both of those are really great for increasing blood flow to the scalp, which is going to help the circulation, which in turn is going to help you to grow your hair. And as you all can see, I like to apply it using an applicator tube, and this allows me to easily get to my scalp no matter how my hair is styled. After applying my oils, I generally follow it up with a leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using the Tangle Slayer, also by My Black is Beautiful, and this product is actually specifically designed for type 3 hair, which I did not realize until after I got it, but it still did an okay job helping to detangle my hair. I really enjoyed all the other products that I use from their line when I washed my hair, so I thought I would like this one as well, but this one I can do without. So the next step is to actually go about applying our styler. These are the two stylers that I like to use. The first one is the Curl Enhancer by Softee Naturals. You can find this one on Amazon, and this TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food. Both of these products, whether you use them in isolation or together, are going to keep your hair moisturized for a long period of time. Specifically the Curl Food. Now to prep my hair. This is what I generally do on a day where I've washed my hair. I'll typically plait it up. I don't cornrow my hair on a regular basis, and I've stopped doing that altogether unless I have to. But I feel like the method that I use gets my hair really flat so that I don't actually have to cornrow it down. And I've also shown you all on days where I'm just prepping my hair and my hair was styled dry that I just twist it up rather than plaiting. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount of both of these products, the Curl Enhancer first, and then I layer it with the TGIN Curl Food all over the hair. And don't worry about it looking white, it's going to dissolve.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay.
Now that my hair is fully moisturized and it's also detangled, I'm going to begin plaiting. And notice how I begin plaiting. I pull the hair taut, making sure that it's behind my ear and it's not off to the side, just to make sure that my hair is completely flat at the top and along the side, because you don't want any bulkiness when you're installing your units. So the positioning is key.
Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things.
So now we're finished plaiting and we only did 4 braids. This is the easiest method possible. Now we're going to begin to pin down the braids. So I'm just going to pin down one side first and then begin the other side. And then we're going to be all done and ready to install the unit.
Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space.
Y'all, look how flat our hair is. It's super flat and we did not have to use cornrows at all. Less manipulation, which is going to be great for hair growth. So now for the unit, we're going to be using this unit by Rpghair, and I love this company because it's very affordable. And guys, this one came with a baby hair brush as well as an elastic band that's detachable, which is really cool. So if you want to use it, use it. If not, you don't have to. This is for the most part what I'm going to be using for this installation because I'm not going to be gluing this unit down. The unit that we have today is a 360 and it's a silky straight unit. And y'all know me, I like using all kind of textures. I love using straight, kinky, curly, all kind of textures, wavy, and I love when the units come and everything's done for you. This one even has a long comb in the back, so if you want to use that for added security, then that's going to be very helpful in putting it up in the back. So I'm just attaching the elastic band now because I'm going to primarily be using this. The knots are bleached, the hairline is plugged, everything is done. We're just ready to go. So this was an easy install. So now putting the unit on the mannequin head, you all can see how amazing it is, how awesome the hairline has been pre-plucked. I did no work to this unit. It was the fastest ever, and the parting space is awesome. You get 4.5 inches of parting, but you can't see it all, so I'm just going to part it off in the back area where it wasn't exposed. But before I begin flattening it out, I did decide to turn the unit over just to tint the lace, and I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen hack in order to do so. Make sure before you actually begin this process that you make sure all the hair in the front is out of the way. That's going to help you to reduce the transfer onto the hair.
Be in love, other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with, so many mistakes I've made. I'm living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about everything.
Y'all, we are literally almost done with this awesome protective style. Now I'm just putting the unit on, and you guys will see it lays super flat and there's really nothing to do. You can literally wear it as is, and this middle part and everything looks so chic and classy. I just love everything about it. My unit is in a cap size medium. I probably could have used a small, but it still fits pretty good. And this unit is also in length 18. I love length 18 because it looks pretty realistic in my opinion, and it's also in 180% density, and I love how full it is. Now I know you all are wondering, what about the lace on the sides? If the wind blows, everybody's going to know our little secret because it does lift. But if you were to secure the unit down with a wig glue or with Got2b glue, as you can see, it's going to look phenomenal. But I didn't want to do that for this install. But I'm going to show you all a quick and easy trick that you can use in order to conceal the lace so that if the wind blows, it stays down. You can just sweep the lace behind your ear, and then later I'm going to apply a bobby pin just to keep it down. Super easy. And if you're wearing a middle part and it's flowing down to the side, nobody's gonna see. The wind blows, your edges are kind of peeking out some, so it's fine, and it's gonna look great.
Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about it. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be. 'Cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to check the description box. All the links and specifications for this unit will be provided down there, along with the list of all the products that I use in this video. Be sure to leave your comments and feedback. I can't wait to hear them. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.